Hi, and welcome to the tip of the week. In today's tip, I wanted to talk about the form editor as opposed to the quiz editor and how it can be used to gather information during a process from the end user that can later be accessed using our API to integrate within your own systems. We see over here on the right that we have type form as opposed to quiz. Forms allow us to gather information from an end user during a process rather than a quiz, which would test the knowledge of that user. We can then see that we have a text, a checkbox, and a few other questions as we come through here. We also ask the user to capture a photo of what they're working on. In the viewport here, we get a good understanding of what our end user will see and how we present the questions to them. Let's take a look at this from an iPad to better understand what our end user will be seeing. Here we are in App, and if I select Next,
Checklist items required.
we're now prompted with our form that we've created for our end user. The end user can go through here and give any information that may be necessary, as well as capture a photo and upload that to the CMS. Before moving on, we see that there's red text denoting that this is actually a requirement before proceeding. So let's hit that checkbox. Note that it says that it's been completed by myself on this date, and now we can continue to our next step. We can now open our CMS and find our associated session with that form. We see that 2 of the 7 form questions were answered, that being our checklist and our photo that we took and uploaded to our CMS. All of this information and more can be easily accessed using our API to better integrate within your own systems. And that's it for this tip of the week. Thank you very much for viewing this video, and we'll see you next week.